Hey, in today's episode, you'll learn the process to convert any normal picture to a art photography. First, open your picture. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Go to Adjustment layer and select Channel Mixture to convert the picture as black and white. To remove the row, select Clone Stamp tool. To increase the brush size, press Ctrl close, and for decrease, Ctrl opening. Now position over the picture where you want to clone, press Alt+Click and apply. Select unwanted portion with Lasso tool and press Shift F5 and select Content Ever Fill. Also repeat the same thing. You can also go edit, select Fill and select Content Ever Fill. Now make some light adjustment with the help of level. Voila! You got your art photography.